Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jen here. I hope you guys are doing really well. I'm trying to find a spot that's not so messy because this is the state of my kitchen. Right, I don't know how it got like this, but it's every time we got people around. I just don't do it on the day we had people around yesterday, and I should have just done it last night, but I left it to the morning, and now it's an absolute state because you got breakfast and all that accumulated. So I'm gonna have to try and sort this out. But it's Saturday today, so it's gonna be a really fun day, I think, because Clara's down for a nap now, but after she wakes up we are gonna go swimming. It's gonna be her first time swimming, and she's 8 months today, so I can't quite believe I've got an 8-month-old. I feel like that's just all parents and that, like, they just can't believe how old their child is. And yeah, truly, I have no idea what happened. I thought I had a newborn, but she's 8 months. She's 8 months today. So yeah, I need to clean this kitchen and sort my life out. And yeah, hope you enjoy. So this is what we're dealing with. Bought a pump. Bought that Medela pump. Trying that out, seeing if she'll drink from a bottle. I don't have high hopes, to be honest. I tried yesterday giving her a bit of formula, see how she reacts. Shall I insert her reaction? Yeah, I think I will. What's up, baby? What's that? Some milkies. What's up, baby? What's up? Boo boo? You want boo boo? Yeah? You want boo boo? Yeah? You want boo boo? Yeah? You want boo boo? For those who don't know, I've breastfed her for now 8 months, and I try to give her a little bit of formula so that daddy can help once in a while, and I know I can pump her in a bowl, but we've tried that before and she didn't accept it. So I thought maybe try a bit of formula, maybe she likes the taste of it. She was not a happy bunny. No, I didn't just say that. Oh my god. I forgot to put the bottom on it. Right, for all the breastfeeding mamas out there, you know that spilling liquid gold is literally... You know, they say they don't cry over spilled milk. What's to cry? I can't believe I've just done that. I literally got that last night and it was like... It was only like 1 ounce and it was like my first like pumped harvest. I've collected it in a hacker before, but it was like my first pumped harvest. I can't believe I just done that. Oh, that's so silly. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to just pump some more. I got milk in some of the stuff.
Mommy peg? Vem nesse lado aqui. Vem. Well done. Parabéns, neném.
guys, so it's Wednesday today. As you would have seen, I've got a couple of bits done around the house, and then we went to Morrison's. I had to get pack of nappies, you know, the joys. Because this little one was running out, weren't you? You were running out, yeah. So I'm now about to cook dinner, and got these cooking in the oven. Some sausage wrapped in bacon with some potatoes, and I think on the side I'm going to do some rice, beans, maybe a little salad, very like Brazilian style. So yeah, I think this is the first time I spoke to you today. I think last time it was over the weekend. Yeah, I think it was Saturday. Yeah, Clara turned 8 months and we went swimming, so that was really nice. And yeah, trying to think, yesterday not much was done. So it's been very rainy around here, so I've just like been editing and like trying to get the washing out as like the sun comes out, but it's a bit of a failure. Well, not really. I think they're sort of dry, but I haven't dared look. And on Monday we went to like a singing group, but it was like the last one, so that was a bit sad. And yeah, not much to report on. So I'm just gonna crack on with dinner and yeah, just feed this little one her dinner, then start the whole bedtime routine. Yeah! What do you think? Start the bedtime routine, what do you think? Yeah! Yeah? Is that funny? Oh! She's not very happy. According to my Wonder Weeks app, she has entered Leap 6. So take that as you will. I'm not sure how accurate that is. I don't know if that's like actually evidence-based. I don't think it is, but it's kind of all over the place. Like, I might actually get rid of the app because I basically have been tracking, or not tracking, but like trying to see if it is true. And to be fair, she has been fast today, so sometimes it's kind of like that. But then that would have meant she only had like 3 sort of good days where she wasn't very fussy. The rest of the days she's been a little bit fussier than normal. But I just think it's that 8-month stage. Yeah, she's just hitting 8 months and not being very happy with everything happening around her. So yeah, I mean, before that she was just such a happy baby, so I think it was just that 8-month mark. So yeah, but you're just going through a lot right now, aren't you? You're just going through a lot. Yeah, but then you come out the other end and you'll just be so knowledgeable. Yeah? Yeah. You'll be so knowledgeable, won't you? Yeah, you're gonna be all knowledgeable. Yeah? Did you just say yeah? Hi guys, thought I'd end this video here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.